Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making a delicious Italian meringue buttercream and I'm using 4 different pastry tips to show you how beautifully it pipes. Let's jump to the ingredients. I'm using 275 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, egg white of 6 eggs, 150 grams of water, 250 grams of butter at room temperature, and a very important tool, I'll be using a sugar thermometer to measure the temperature of the syrup that I'll be making. To create the syrup, I combine water and sugar and cook it on high heat for about 8 minutes until it reaches a temperature of 245 Fahrenheit or about 118 degrees Celsius. In my stand mixer, I'll be beating the egg whites at the same time until it reaches the stiff peak stage. If that happens before the syrup reaches the right temperature, then reduce the speed of the stand mixer, but keep it moving. Both of my ingredients are ready at this stage, so I'm going to increase the speed on my stand mixer and gently pour in the syrup directly into the egg whites. You want to avoid touching the bowl as that's going to make the syrup harden straight away. The syrup is now essentially cooking the egg white, and at this stage also giving it a lot of volume and a beautiful velvety texture. The syrup is now well incorporated and the stand mixer is still working until the bowl is no longer warm to the touch. You may speed up the process by placing your bowl in the fridge for a few minutes and then continuing. Then, little by little, add in the butter. If the egg white is still warm, you're going to get a buttercream that's completely soupy and soft. To recover from that, you can wet in a kitchen towel, place it in the freezer for a few minutes and wrap it around the bowl and increase the speed of your stand mixer for 4 to 5 minutes to recover and get the right buttercream mixture, which has the following consistency. At this stage, you can add the vanilla extract or any other flavor or jam that you may like. Now let me show you how beautifully this pipes. First, I'm using a 1M tip or an open star pastry tip to pipe the first cupcakes. Next, I'm using a large open star tip. This one's equivalent to about Wilton 6B. Then, a simple round tip, Wilton 1A. And finally, the famous closed star tip, 2D. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.